Okay, sorry about that. My video quit on me. So let's finish up what I was saying. We were looking at 4/3, and I was showing you that we broke the first pie into threes. That's what it wants us to do. And so if I'm filling in 4/3, then that means I'm filling in 1, 2, 3. Obviously, I haven't reached 4 yet, so I need a whole nother one, and they want me to break it up into threes. So now I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you can see, 4/3 really, written properly, is 1 whole and 1/3. So 4/3, if you do it illustratively, this is what it looks like. Okay? Now, let's do one more problem. And it's example 2. And here's what it says. Divide 2 divided by 2/3. Okay. Hopefully you've got a warning going off in your head because one of them's a whole number and one of them's a fraction. And we need both of them to be fractions. So hopefully you remember that this whole number 2 changes to 2/1. That means the same thing. Okay? So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. 2/1, just so they look right. Okay? Now, a while ago I was telling you that we cannot divide fractions. We're going to have to multiply. So when you multiply and you change this division to a multiplication problem, the fraction to the right changes to its invert, and which is its reciprocal. That's kind of what the word I was using earlier, reciprocal. So 2/3 would change to 3/2. Okay? And now the problem is ready to be performed. Okay, so now we work it like normal. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer is 6/2. All right, and as you can see, again, we have an improper fraction. Okay, and we have to make it proper. Okay, the mathematical way to do this is to take 6 divided by 2. So let's do that. 6 divided by 2. And as you can see, 2 will go into 6 evenly 3 times. Okay, that's the mathematical way to do that. But if you're not ready for that yet, let's do it the illustrative way. Okay, as you can see, they're wanting our pies to be broken up into 2s this time. So here we go. We're going to break it into 2s, and we're wanting 6 pies, or 6 pieces that are broken up into 2s. So here we go. 1, 2. Okay, obviously we haven't reached 6, so we have to do another one that's broken up by 2s. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We need another one, so let's do broken up into 2s. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that shows us 6/2, which is really 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes. Answer is 3. So no matter how you do it, whether it's mathematically or illustratively, that is the answer.